Just how fast can a resin 3D printer be? Introducing Rocket 1, the world's first top-down DCLF 3D printer with lightning-fast printing speed and ultra-high accuracy. At up to 380 millimeters per hour, its printing speed is 20 to 60 times faster than traditional resin printers. Rather than waiting for hours, you can now get your project done in minutes. Rocket 1 has not only world's fastest printing speed, but also prints with 35 millimeters accuracy than most other 3D printers. This printer can easily produce intricate details and holes as small as 0.2 millimeters, through which fluids and gases can pass freely, exactly the kind of accuracy that is required by researchers using complex models for study. Using Rocket 1 to print a complete figure, the finest details of skin texture are clearly seen, and parts fit together perfectly with only 0.05 millimeter one-side clearance. Even under a magnifying glass, the surface of the figure is as smooth and flawless as an injection-molded part. Powered by the first-ever top-down digital continuous liquid-forming technology and self-developed rapid leveling nanometers, it is able to print models with few supports and can even print them with single support or no support at all. Thanks to the top-down printing design, Rocket 1 can easily print large solid materials without changing resin curing properties or using a scoop. Top-down printing also allows the prints to be protected from gravity and peeling forces, which makes it possible to print highly transparent materials. Rocket 1 prints as clear as glass. You can even use it to print a pair of glasses for yourself. Its top-down design makes it simple to print flexible materials as well. Rocket 1 enables you to print using a variety of materials in any area of your life or work. In addition, to save the amount of resin used, we have developed an inexpensive resin-insoluble bottom filler so you can print with only 300 grams of resin. Furthermore, Rocket 1 is intuitive and user-friendly. No leveling or professional experience is required. Just plug it in and start printing. With the light projecting from the top down to the resin surface and curing, Rocket 1 has no vulnerable parts such as LCD screens or release films, making it more durable and reliable. This is Rocket 1, the world's first top-down DCLF 3D printer. Ultimate speed, higher accuracy, and superb reliability. A revolutionary new resin 3D printer. Support us now on Kickstarter.